Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how you can enter your seller's account on Temu. So very quickly, let's just go to our browser and then type in seller Temu. Click seller on Temu. Here you'll be asked to register for a seller Temu account or a Temu seller account. So just click on sign up. But before that, you want to make sure that you are residing in the following countries: United States, Mexico, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, Spain, Belgium, Austria, or Poland. Currently, these are the only countries where you are allowed to be a seller for Temu. So if you're not residing in these countries, you may have to wait for next year or for the coming years before your country is allowed or verified to sell on Temu. But if you do, just click on sign up, business location, enter here, for example, United States, enter your email, your password, and then just click on continue, and automatically you will have your Temu seller's account. But it doesn't end there, because first you're going to need to enter your business information. That's step one. So this includes everything. If you're a corporation, a partnership, or a sole proprietorship, and if you want to be an individual seller as well. Then in step two, you need to provide your seller information. So it includes everything like certifications, address, and your seller name. And then step three, you're going to need to add your store name, your logo, and your contact information. And then finally, just verify all the process and you can start selling on Temu. Now, it's also important to take note of the documentation required for you to become a Temu seller. So prepare all of these documents so that you will be able to start selling on Temu. And that's it. If this video was able to help you out, please do hit the like and subscribe button. We will be creating more videos on Temu. We have also published other videos that may be helpful for you. So if you want to check those out, please do hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again on another video only here on Talk Help Guy.